I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you.
You can't steal my line. I'm an artist and designer. Austin is a builder and designer. I think from our first conversation, I really admired your design aesthetics, and that's something that when we started like working side by side, we both owned our own businesses. We just it just naturally happened where we wanted to start working together, I think, right?
Yeah, it really didn't seem like there was any specific moment where we decided working together was a good idea. It just really seemed like a natural evolution of our relationship.
Yeah.
There was an action sports event, and I was doing some producing and judging of a BMX contest, and there was an after party for the event. The very first thing I saw when I walked into this party was this huge mural on the wall, which I was completely fascinated by. I walked around this party asking everyone who the artist was, and eventually someone pointed me your direction, and that was how we met, and that was the first thing I said to you.
Yeah.
When I walked up to you.
Yeah. The fact that the stranger was asking me, this very cute stranger was asking me about my mural, I was just I didn't have any words for the first 5 seconds. So you were like,
And then we ended up dancing all night.
And just talked all night.
Talking
and then you called me a week later saying I really like talking to you.
Yeah. So that's how we met. Filming together really feels like we're doing a constant trust fall.
Yes. There'd be days where we're working till 2 a.m. yet still we're just blasting music and dancing and we got this. And we have this saying that are we gonna have fun regardless? And the other person says 1,000%. Yeah. Our personal style tends to lean towards more of a modern bohemian style, but for our client style, we like to use empathetic design, which is when we listen to what they do day to day, what they love in their own house. We try to figure out what the best style is for them. It's whatever they really, really kind of gravitate towards.
I think that I'm excited to show people how much fun it can be to do a renovation.
Yeah. I mean, when we met, something we really bonded on is always learning something new. And so something that we teach all of our clients is a new skill set. And teaching is the best way to learn. So it's kind of a win-win for us because we get to have the clients learn something new. We get to learn whatever we're teaching in a new way, and we all get to have fun doing it. So that's my favorite part, is that everyone's learning something new. I think what inspires me the most is nature, always. My dad's a biologist and microbiologist. I really find inspiration from all the levels of nature, and it is in everything I do.
Lifestyle really inspires me, and what I mean by that is action. What are the things you like to do every single day? What makes you happy? What makes you smile? And how can we create an environment that is going to be best suited to suit that? I like to ride on things, skate on things, surf. I like to just kind of shred all the time whenever I can.
All of my hobbies kind of include indoor activities, which are video games. I'm a big video game nerd. I also really enjoy crafts like crochet and puzzles. Yeah, and plants. I love taking care of my plant babies. And just getting new. Austin always has to stop me from buying new plants because our house is going to become a jungle if I keep buying more. So
I don't put the limiter on.
I put the limiter on me.
Yeah. I feel really, really good about what we were able to capture on film and what we were able to create for our clients. So I'm pumped.
Yes.
I am.
Can't wait for everyone to see it, and thank you so much for watching.
Let's go get in the water.
Yeah, good
I wanna go get in
vibes.
the water. Water time.